Here we'll find the measure of a complement and a supplement of an angle. The angle in question is angle CAD. Now, since there are several angles given in the diagram, we need to carefully note which angle is angle CAD. That is this angle CAD, and we see that its measure is 65 degrees. So we can write that the measure of angle CAD is 65 degrees. Now we'll first find the complement of this angle. Two angles are complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degrees. So in order to find the complement of angle CAD, we will take 90 degrees, subtract 65 degrees, and that gives us 25 degrees. So the measure of a complement of this angle would be 25 degrees. Now we'll find the measure of a supplement of the angle. Two angles are supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. So if we write 180 degrees minus 65 degrees, and we find that difference, we have 115 degrees. So the measure of a supplement of angle CAD would be 115 degrees.